Hello everyone, this is the fifth video of API management with MuleSoft series. The goal of this series is to introduce you to various aspects of API management you can do with Anypoint platform regardless of where your API is built and running. In this video, we will explore how developers and API managers can manage APIs that are running in various places such as AWS and Anypoint platform. Previously, we made sure that our three API specifications are conformant to governance standards. PhoneSync API built in Anypoint Code Builder and deployed in Cloud Hub, MuleSoft Managed Service, Product Catalog API, and Product Inventory API built in generic Visual Studio Code and deployed in AWS. Now, we want to control and manage APIs by applying policies and SLAs to them. Anypoint API Manager provides a centralized web-based control plane to securely manage all your APIs and microservices, no matter where they're deployed. And Anypoint Flex Gateway is ultra-fast, lightweight gateway designed to manage and secure APIs running anywhere. With a combination of both features on Anypoint platform, let's see how we can protect the APIs we have regardless of where they're deployed. From the admin view, API developers and architects can see the status of APIs and microservices currently managed by Anypoint platform. You can also define automate policies, which will be enforced across all APIs in this environment to ensure security. I've already gone ahead and added PhoneSync API and Product Inventory API. Let's see how easy it is to add and manage Product Catalog API. First, determine which runtime to use depending on your use case. You can select Anypoint Flex Gateway for any API that need a flexible and performant API gateway that works with distributed and microservice environment and fits into your CI/CD environment. Or if you have APIs on Mule runtime that need an API gateway to manage, observe, and secure APIs, you can select Mule Gateway. Or if you have microservices running on Istio, you can use Anypoint Service Mesh. Afterwards, you can select an API from Exchange, create an API from existing OS or YAML specification, or import an API configuration file directly. The best practice is to design your API specification first and publish it to Anypoint Exchange so that your API is cataloged and documented for reuse. The next step allows you to configure settings related to inbound traffic such as HTTP protocol, TLS, port, and base path. Setting options differ for each proxy and gateway type. Here, Flex Gateway, you can route API traffic to a particular upstream based on HTTP method, URL path, host, weight, or headers for efficient routing. Once the API is added, we can see the API summaries page where it has information about the API as well as key metrics such as total requests over time and total policy violations over time. You can also set alerts, manage client access, implement security and governance, and define SLA tiers. Let's first define the SLA tiers. This allows Policies tab, you can see the automatically enforced policies at the organization level. You can also apply additional out-of-the-box security, conformance, and quality of service policies to ensure requirements are met. Configuration is simple and applied in real time. Let's now take a look at how a developer can request access to the API. In Anypoint Exchange, you can click on the Request Access button, select the tier, and submit. For automatically approved tiers, the client ID and secret are provided instantly. In this video, you saw how Anypoint API Manager, Anypoint Flex Gateway, and Anypoint Exchange all work seamlessly together so that you can manage and control APIs. API Manager provides a centralized control plane to simplify managing and analyzing APIs deployed anywhere. Anypoint Flex Gateway gives you the flexibility for non-Mule APIs that require high performance and no downtime on policy updates. In the next video, we'll see how we can govern the policies applied to the API instance.